Cyrus we yayingira yamusanga ng'akyasala omwana asembayo ng'akyakutta omwana asembayo amusala.
At the time Cyrus entered, he found the accused person holding the last child so that he can cut the child.
And what happened?
Checha tukao.
Yamuarresting nga ne bamukwata.
He arrested him.
He or they?
Was he alone when he was?
Ye yamusookako banene nabali abalala ne bajja ne bamwegattako.
He's the first one to arrest him, and the rest came and joined him.
Where did they take him?
Bamutwala wa?
They confined him.
Bwe bamala omukwata bamutwala wa?
Bamuleeta ku gate waliwo akayumba k'aba security.
They took him to the security room at the gate.
Yes.
Ne bamusibiramu kubanga mob yali abantu bali batandise okujja nga baagala kumukuba.
They locked him inside the security room because the mob had gathered and they wanted to lynch him.
Taking you a little back, at the point of arrest, where was the knife that he was using to kill the kids?
Nga bamukwata akambe ke yakozesa okutta abaana abo kali ludda wa?
Bwe yalaba nga abasajja bayingidde
when he saw that the men had entered,
yakakasuka wabweru wa fence.
he threw it outside the fence.
Did you observe any other thing as he was being arrested?
Nga bamukwata oyina ekintu ekirala kye walaba?
Nalaba nga bamusikamu obwambo obulala bubiri bwe yali atadde wano mu stocks.
They pulled 2 other knives he had kept in the socks.
Anything else?
Waliwo ekirala?
Awo abantu bajja n'abazadde ne batandika okujja nga buli omu anoonyaamu omwana we ku baali basigadde nga balamu nga bwe babatwala.
People started coming and even parents came looking for their children and started taking them back home.
What else?
Kyekirala?
Poliisi yajja n'efulumya abantu okuva mu ssomero.
Police came and asked everyone to come out of the school. Hold on.
What else?
Hold on.
Sorry.
Please proceed.
What else?
Kyekirala?
Poliisi yagazetinga ekifo nga tekyakkiriza muntu yenna kuyingirayo.
Police cordoned off the premises and they could not allow anyone to enter.
What else?
Kyekirala.
Poliisi yaŋŋamba okuggyamu engoye ze nali nyambadde nzibawe kubanga zaali zijjudde omusaayi.
Police asked me to remove the clothes I was putting on because they were soaked with blood.
How did blood get on your clothing?
Omusaayi gwatuuka gutya ku ngoye zo?
Bwe baamala okwaresitinga oyo omusajja nalowooza nti maybe waliwo omwana gwe nsobola otwala mu ddwaliro kati nasitula Keisha nga njagala mudduse mu ddwaliro eyansiga omusaayi.
After they had arrested the accused persons, I thought I could save one of the children, so I carried Keisha, and that's how I got blood on me.
What else?
Kyekirala.
Abapoliisi banziggyako statement.
I made a statement.
Okay, apart from the statement, after this man cut the kids, you say you tried to save, to lift Keisha. Where did you take Keisha?
Ogambye wali oyagala kutaasaako omwana n'ositula Keisha, wamutwala wa?
Nafuluma gate, naye we nafuluma gate nagenda okulaba ng'ensingo ye yonna ng'esaliddwa nga sayini ziraga yali afudde.
I went to the gate, but by the time I reached, I saw they had cut her neck and she had passed on.
About the other kids?
Ate abaana abalala.
Keisha namuzaawo namuleka ku gate ne ngenda nkebere ku balala ndabe, naye bonna nasanga nga ndaba obubonero bwe balina nga balabika baafudde dda.
I left Keisha at the gate and went to see other children, but when I reached them, they had signs that they had also passed on.
Addamu okulaba omwami eyo ng'akutamye wansi, naye nga wansi waliwo omwana ng'akutamye bw'ati. Nga wansi waliwo omwana yeebase ku ttaka nga amukutamyeko.
I then saw the accused person bending on a child who was on the ground.
Was he bending? Was he squatting?
He was bending.
Yes.
Mu bwongo bwange nasooka kulowooza nti ali kukuba mwana.
In my mind, I thought he was beating the child.
Yes.
Nadduka misinde receipt nagisuulawo wansi n'enziruka misinde we yali.
I threw down the receipt book and ran towards where he was.
Yes.
Natuuka mubuuza abaana baffe okuba baaki.
When I reached, I asked him why he was beating our children.
Yes.
Naye yali tannanziramu, genda otunula wansi nga waliwo omwana gwe bayita Keisha Genrot.
Before he responded, I saw Keisha Onyum.
Keisha?
Agenroth was down
ng'ali mu kitaba ky'omusaayi.
in a pool of blood.
What else did you see?
Kye kirala kye walaba?
Omwami oyo yayimuka ng'akutte akambi mu ngalo.
The accused person got up when he was holding a knife in his hand.
Yes.
Omwami oyo yali speed ennyo mu bintu bye yali akola, yabakirawo omwana owokubiri immediately.
He was so quick that he immediately grabbed another child.
Yes.
Nagenda okulaba naye ng'amuteeka wansi ng'awanise ekiso n'emmanya naye ayagala mumusala.
I then saw him putting the child down, and he had a knife. I understood that he was also going to catch another child.
Yes.
Bwangu nakwata obugaali abaana bwe bavugirako wabweru.
I immediately got one of the bicycles the children use outside in the compound.
Yes.
Nenkamukasukira.
I threw it at him.
Yes.
Bwe nakamukasukira yasooka n'aleka omwana gwe yali akutte n'asooka n'angoba nze.
When I threw the bicycle at him, he left the child and then started running after me.
Yes.
Nadduka nga bwe ndekaana naye natuuka n'engwa wansi.
I was running while making an alarm, but I later fell down.
Yes.
Bwe yalaba nga ngudde wansi yandeka n'addayo nadda ewali abaana.
When I fell down, he left me there and went back to where the children were.
Yes.
Bwe namalira okusituka wansi okuddayo nasanga asala owokubiri ng'amumaliriza.
By the time I got up, I found when he had finished cutting the second child.
Yes.
Nakwata akagaali akalala nenziramu nenkamukasukira nga agoba omwana owookusatu.
I again got another bicycle and I threw it at him as he was running to get the third child.
As this was happening, where were the other caretakers?
Ebyo byonna nga bigenda mu maaso bakeyateeka abalala bali luddawo.
Ekintu kino kyagwawo mu bwangu byonna byaliwo mu ddakiika ezaali entono ennyo. Mrs. Odong yali amaze ofulumawo wabweru ng'akuba alarm. Keyateeka omulala we byahapeningira yali atutte baana manju kubanga tubawerekera for short call n'okulongoosa emmanju potties. Byamusanga ali manju baali bakamala okulya break nga keyateeka omulala ali kulongoosa room naye awo we yasalira omwana wokubiri eyali alongoosa kiraasi mwe baliridde breakfast ne Mrs. Odongo baali bafulumye nga bakuba nduulu bayita buyambi.
Okay,
so you are going to go
you're
slow,
going to go
over
slow
again.
and
Sorry.
yes, and the question was, where were the other caretakers? And you're going to tell us slowly, tell us so and so was here and another person was here, so that we are able to understand, because we were not there.
Bakubuuziza abakeyateeka abalala gye baali ng'ebyo byonna bibeerawo nolwekyo ojja kutugamba caretaker gundi yali wano ono yali wano kubanga ffenna twali tetuliiyo.
So where were the other caretakers?
Bakeyateeka abalala baali luddawa?
Caretaker omu yali mu room mwe baali baliiridde breakfast ng'alongoosa.
One caretaker was cleaning the room where they had their breakfast from.
Yes.
Caretaker omulala yali atutte abaana abamu emmanju n'okulongoosa emmanju ku potties.
This other caretaker had taken some of the children for short call and he was also cleaning their potties.
Yes.
Mrs. Odongo yali mu office ng'alina report gy'amaliriza mu office.
Mrs. Odong was in office finishing some report.
Yes.
Omufumbi yali mu ffumbiro ng'afumba.
The caterer was in the kitchen preparing food.
So you say you were throwing the bikes at him and making noise. Did they respond?
Ogambye nti waali omukanyugira obugaali nga bw'okuba enduulu bajja okulaba kye kyali kituuseewo.
Eyali alongoosa ne Madam Annette baavaayo.
The one who was cleaning and Madam Annette came out.
Naye tebasooka kumanya kyali kigenda mu maaso kubanga bano ababiri be yali asaze baali wansi kati baalaba angoba nga tebamanyi lwaki angoba.
But they could not tell what was going on because the two he had cut were down and they didn't know why he was chasing me.
So you say he cut the second child. Did he do anything else?
Ogambye yasala omwana ow'okubiri waliwo ekirala kye yakola.
Do you know the second child that he cut?
Omwana ow'okubiri omumanyi.
Omwana ow'okubiri saamunotisinga kubanga saasobola notisinga face ye awo.
I didn't notice the face of the second child.